Hi, and welcome to Module 6, CSS Typography. The purpose of this module is to introduce you to the topic of typography through the use of CSS. With HTML, you designate what is a header, what is a paragraph, what is a block quote, but you don't add any type of styling to it. Styling is what you make it to look nice, whether you add color to it, you make it a certain particular font, a certain size, a certain amount of leading or kerning. That is done with a CSS, and that's what the purpose of this is. So, with this module here, we're going to talk about that, and you'll see that the learning objective is to demonstrate proficiency in styling web typography, how you style it, how you create it. You'll see that there are 3 lessons with this particular module. The first one is to specify font properties. And by that, we're talking about the size of the font, the weight of the font, other things to just specify the look of it, whether it's italics, very basic font things related to it, small caps, size, things like that. Now, in the second lesson, now we're going to get into a little bit more, which is stylizing it, which has to do with line height, and there's videos for some of this stuff, letter spacing, or kerning as it's called, whether you're going to indent, whether you're going to have a horizontal alignment. All these different things work towards how we then start having the lines look. The last one is very interesting in that now we start to get in with web fonts. And with web fonts you get into @font face, which is you can then go to these different websites and find some very interesting looking fonts. And from that you can then pull, in fact, let's just go to font face here. Oh, it's not going to work right now. You can find some very interesting fonts to use and add them to your page. In the past, we were limited to web-safe fonts. Now we're not. Now you can have all the different types of fonts that you want. So you can have this on your page. So it's just a matter of learning the code to do that, and we'll show you how to do that. The last thing is there's a quiz for Module 6. You take the quiz, and you are done with that, and you move on to Module 7. Good luck.